First, open the package. Inside, you'll find 4 power harnesses, 4 control boxes, and 4 LED lights. Open the door. Carefully pry off the reflector trim cover and remove the screw behind it. Next, remove the 2 screws underneath the armrest. Then carefully remove the interior door panel. Peel back the sound insulation, locate the factory ambient light connector, and unplug it. Connect our power harness inline with the factory connector. Plug in the power connector, then connect the other end of the harness to the control box. Next, remove the retaining clip shown in the video and pull the wire and connector out together. Remove the plastic cover from the factory light housing. Then take one of our LED modules. Any one of the 4 will work. Install the LED into the housing and make sure the LED is exposed through the small opening. Once the LED is properly positioned, reassemble the light housing. Then, connect the LED cable to the control box. Use the included double-sided tape to secure the control box to the inside of the door panel. Finally, neatly organize and secure all the wiring to prevent anything from coming loose or rattling. Wrap the original factory LED completely with black electrical tape to block the factory light. Place the factory LED back into its original location and secure it firmly in place. Reinstall the insulation, door panel, screws, and trim pieces that were removed earlier. And that's it! The installation is complete! For the rear doors, you only need to remove 2 screws. After that, the installation process is exactly the same as the front doors.